Hi guys, this is Isabella, as you know, and you know already that puppets are fun to play with, but you can also teach your child to learn about English and math. I'll show you. So let's do the English first. Let's do the letter Y, and my name starts with a Y. Okay, let's do it.
Okay, that looks like a Y.
Okay, see?
Okay.
Let's do one more letter. So what are we gonna do?
Try the letter H, because
Okay.
it's easy.
Yeah, it's easy to do. See, let's turn around. H. Wait. Okay, for the math. So you can just tell your children how many ones that I pop. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I popped 4. It's like this. This one, let's count. 1, 2, 3. We got 3. Okay, bye-bye.